Later.
Alright.
All right.
Also recording?
Okay. So, here we are. We are doing our fourth hive inspection.
I think.
Our fourth. However, I was out of town last week, and it was rainy and cold all week, so we didn't do a hive inspection last week. But it's been 2 weeks, so I'm expecting this one to be full. We will find out in a minute. So, pulling off the honey super that has been protecting my feeders. We'll get our water tray out of the way. All right, and we shall see. Okay, so one of the things, Mary Rose, is that they anything that is not nailed down, they glue down with this stuff called Propius.
Okay.
And it's a kind of a sticky mess that I will end up having to wash off my fingers later.
Well, you can use the gloves.
Nah, it's fine. It's fine. This gives me more touch, and I'll actually be able to work faster without the gloves,
Yeah.
which will hopefully stress the bees out less.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna move this. Oh yeah, look at that.
Ooh, nice.
Oops. That, I think I just heard a lady crunch underneath that right there.
Oopsie.
That is not what I was looking for. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this up here, since I think this frame over here is fuller than the last time, so we can't just lean it up against. So these on the outside have been empty, and so we're just not worried about hanging them. We're just laying them on the side. But today, since this one actually looks like it's got something on it, or at least some bees, there's not a whole lot of buildup on this one. But this one, you can see there's a whole lot more bees over there. So, all right, nothing yet. Some bees, but there's no buildup on that one at all, actually. No buildup at all. Okay.
Sorry, big boy.
So we're going to set that there. And we're going to move on to the next frame.
Also, while he's doing that, would you like to say hi for the camera?
Hi. Or should I buzz? Buzz, buzz.
Yeah. Okay, so I was expecting a little bit more on this, but there are quite a few bees hanging out on that. Actually, I'll go ahead and put that one back in. Since we're,
Do you put them in the same spot every time?
for the most part, yeah. There is strategy on moving them around. I am not advanced enough, and I don't believe that the hive is far enough along. You can see here, see that's Propius.
Okay.
So that is the glue that they use to glue everything down. Huh, I was expecting more buildup on this one, because that does not look like it's a whole lot further along than the last time. Big drone right there. Boy, these ladies are docile though, today.
Sorry, what? Big drone?
It looked like a drone. He was quite a bit bigger than the others, but he's not one of our queens.
Alright.
Okay. Okay. So I was expecting a little bit more on those two frames than we saw there. These are just a little bit more agitated just now.
Yeah.
All right. Whew, that one's got a little more heft. Okay. So, let me set that down there. Yeah, this one's got some more weight on it. Look at that. Oh. Okay.
Big frame.
Realized I did not put on my glasses. So, all right, but there is a lot of wax buildup on that one. This side, look at that side. So that's all cat food right there.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah. Okay. All right. put that back on. All right. And because I want to be able to see things, I'm going to step back for a second, put on my glasses,
Okay.
which I thought I put in my just got in.
Wait, there's a structure right there between the two cells.
What's that?
Yeah, there's a structure right there between the two cells.
Yep. See, and that's what's confusing me. I was expecting them to outgrow these frames over here, and but they haven't put anything over in this one. All right, so let's go ahead and quickly get through the rest of this hive inspection and stop stressing the girls out. All right, sorry ladies, give me just a minute.
What if we put the empty frames on the other side?
I'm not sure. All right. Sorry, babe. There you go, honey. All right.
Like, they're dangling off the bottom there, like, a lot.
Okay, there are so many of these pretty little girls here. Look at that. What I'm looking for, I'm looking to see if I can see any eggs down inside of those. I don't see any. Here, but Mary Rose, come over here. Take a look at this lady right here. See all the pollen on her?
Yeah.
That one, right? She's
There's
underneath.
There's a couple of them.
Yeah, big pollen packs. Those are hardworking girls right there.
Yeah, they come up to the house a lot.
Yeah. All right. And let me see. All right, and see the yellow in the middle there? That is brood. So that is baby bees.
Oh.
Yeah, but what I'm not seeing a lot of new brood, but we'll find out. That brood's been there a little while. Okay. And okay. All right, let's take a look at this side.
Oh, let me get a cool picture of that.
I have not seen Her Highness yet. Okay. A couple other cool things here. So that right there, underneath the ladies there, is a drone cell. So those are larger and they kind of bulb out a little bit. All right. Now let's look at this side. Okay. Here, get a close up of that frame there. I'm trying to see if there's any eggs down in there, and I can't tell from visual inspection now. All right, let's move on to the next one.
So, out of curiosity, if there just aren't any eggs,
that means that our queen has died.
Uh-oh.
And what do we do if that happens?
We go get a new queen.
Okay.
How do you do that?
We contact a local bee company.
Okay. Oh, so you actually went through a company?
Yep. Yep. And then what they do is they have a couple of hives that are slightly highly populated, and so they will when a hive becomes too populated, they will make another queen and split the hive. Well, the bee company just intercepts that, gets some, just collects some of the queens, keeps them alive, but keeps them on hand and ready. Okay. All right, so that is almost all brood. So that is all larva eggs getting ready to hatch, hopefully. So hopefully sometime soon. All right. All right. Now, okay, we are almost through this hive. I think I'm going to go back to feeding sugar water though, because I was expecting more buildup on those frames, and buildup on the frames is basically stopped. Okay. That looks to be a healthy frame with a whole bunch of brood on it. All right. Ooh, actually, that is interesting.
What?
Here. Look at that there. So that is a queen cell.
Huh. What up, girl?
So the here, let's see if you can get in there and see if there's anything in there. Okay. So the queen cells, you can tell them because they're hanging off the bottom.
There is
Because
not anything in there.
They gotta protect her.
And that's okay.
They want to keep her as far away from us as possible, right?
Oh, look at that one. That's a big honking bee right there. All right. Oops. So let's put this back. Now what I don't know, and I will ask the internet.
Oh, they got questions. They got answers.
What's that?
They got the answers.
Yeah. Is if we should squish that off or not. I don't know right now.
The queen cell?
Yeah.
Is it because you already have a queen?
Because I already have a queen. And if they produce another queen, they may try to split the hive, at which point...
You go backwards?
Yeah, this hive is not strong enough to split yet.
Okay. So you don't have another queen yet?
I do not have another queen at the moment, no. Ooh. That... Dude, you are a robber, I think.
Uh-huh.
I don't think you belong in that hive. But it's not my business. I'm going to let the bees take care of you.
They'll chase him out?
Yeah. If he doesn't belong there, they'll get rid of him. That was louder. I pulled it out.
A lot of
Yeah. That's why I'm not setting this one down. All right. Let's see. Do you see anything in there? I was kind of hoping to see our queen by now, but I'm not seeing her.
Maybe that's why they're working on a new cell.
That is possible.
They need a new queen.
And there's another one of those queen cells down there. Look at that. There's two of them. This hive. And actually, I am really curious now.
Isn't that girl?
These ladies. No, they are not. I was afraid that they were building honeycomb down there. All right. It is amazing to watch how like
They've been building up.
nonplussed they are about us tearing their house apart, pulling them out of their house. And they are just,
I'm sure what else.
yeah.
Now, if that was just like, I just spent 2 weeks on that.
Right? Okay. Last frame. This one also has some weight, and look at that structure down there. I am not sure what that structure is there.
Huh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I want to get a picture of that.
Really? You're not there, boo boo? Where is that queen? And I'll have to review the video and watch and see if I see her.
So, is there going to be a queen on each one of these, or on?
Yep. Well, no. Each hive has their own queen.
That's not.
Yeah.
So, is this considered all one hive or 2 hives?
This is 2 hives.
Okay, that's what I meant.
Yep. This
Each
is
one
2
of
hives.
these boxes.
Yeah.
Yep.
That box is one hive and this box is another one.
Cool, cool.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I need to sit down because it's been a while.
Yeah.
I like-
There's a chair right there. Feel free to. You want to hang out and watch? All right. And then.
Excuse me. What if the queen's under the lid?
That would be funny.
That would be funny.
Now she's usually on a frame
Yeah.
because her job is not to be on the lid. Her job is to be laying eggs in the honeycomb. All right. And then, all right. So I'm going to take this off. No, I'm not, because we're going to go back to feeding them. Right? Right.
Yes.
Okay. But what I do want to do is check the underside of that. See, is there... Oh, hello.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's just like a gigantic mound of bees under there.
There. I am not sure what is going on there. Is there... Oh.
That might be.
Hi there. Why don't you not be on me? There we go. Okay.
There's a structure on there.
There is?
Yeah. No one.
Come on, ladies. Off you go. Okay. So this is where I put that tool. There it is. There's more structure underneath that.
So you don't want them building?
Yeah, if they're building where I don't want them to build, then they're gonna keep going. And then,
Mutiny.
yeah, that gets bad.
They get territorial.
So the other option is that they are trying to kill a robber or something.
That one is definitely like getting mad.
With this one here? Yeah.
Another one that's on the tool.
Oh, okay. Well, here, let's.
Okay, now a few of them, but they're okay. That's the only structure that I saw.
Okay, ladies. All right, we are putting this hive back together. Oh,
What?
the Proprius failed.
Oops.
Yep. All right. This will be interesting to see.
I can hold that if you need me to.
Oops, I forgot to take off my frame holder. Okay. Okay. Later I'll come out here with 1-to-1 honey mix, or 1-to-1 sugar mix, and sugar water. And we'll. All right. So there's one done.
You could give them the new package.
Right? Okay. All right. You want to do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to head in. I'm baking in the sun.
Sounds
I
good.
need to sit down.
Sounds good. Well, you've now seen a hive inspection.
Yeah, I could easily do that. Tell them to hurry up, I want to bake.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, we'll definitely go back to feeding them sugar water here.
What is that? Mold.
That is not mold. That is, I'm not sure, but there aren't any bees in there, so I don't know what. No, that might be mold.
Yeah.
All right. We should check the underneath of that other lid to make sure that, see what's growing into there.
Nope.
Okay, all right, so it's something about this one. All right,
Yeah.
let's continue on. I think you can just turn it now. let me just peek. Okay, yeah, no weird structures on this one. Okay. All right.
Oh, I should probably move the brush.
Here, let me move the brush.
Thank you.
And the frame holder. There you go. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay then, there's
Nothing on that one. Yep. Nothing. Okay.
sorry, I just had to make sure they didn't get crushed and just fell off.
Yep. Okay. Again, nothing really on this one. And nothing really on this one. Okay. That's not overly surprising. This one has a whole lot less bees on top.
Yeah. What's going on here?
I'm not sure.
Ooh, that made some noise.
Yeah. Ooh, there's a lot of bees bearding there, and on the bottom, not bearding, but just hanging out. I'm not sure what they're doing there, but there's a whole bunch of them. All right, anything on the other side? Okay. All right.
Just a ball of bees.
Yep. Just on the one side. All right. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. They're quite busy. There's a little drone cell there. Oops. Hey, babe. How you doing? She's on my finger here. Okay, all right. There's a drone cell there. What's on the other side? Anything?
Not much.
Not a ton. Okay. All right. Yeah, we definitely need to feed this one again. I keep feeding this one. Okay. All right, this is a healthier frame on this side. Lots of nectar. There's a drone cell there. There's some other. Oops, man. Reaction is still to flick and swat. All right, let me see the other side.
Not much going on. I guess some nectar over here, but
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's check this next one. All right.
the frames aren't like too close together or something like that, right?
No, they're supposed to be touching.
Okay, they're supposed to be touching?
Yes.
Excuse me?
This one has just been going nuts.
Girl, I need to get under there. I think this is where we're going to see the most activities.
That'll be my assumption. Here, look out there. Okay. All right. Let's see. There's some cap nectar and whatnot. I am going to get up here and see, do I see any eggs? All right, there's another one of these just absolute units of a bee over here. Look at that one right there.
Yeah.
I mean, that guy is he's just huge compared to the others. Is that our queen?
No, because she had a much longer thorax.
That's what I thought.
Abdomen?
I'm just
Abdomen.
wondering if she's just swollen up or something. Anyways, well, let's get down in here and see.
I'm
All right.
not seeing any eggs in any of these.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's turn it over and let's see the other side.
So, I think our queen may have died.
I hope not.
I hope not too, but
All right. Let's keep going real quick, and then because this one is not nearly as vibrant and healthy of a colony as the other one is.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also not seeing queen supersedure cells and that kind of stuff. So
yeah.
the queen cells. Alright, again, I'm going to see if I can get up here close and see if I see any eggs in there. Okay. Alright, flip it around. Let's see the other side. Let's see if I can get a good video of it. Okay. All right, put it back. Oops. Okay, you brushed that one, is it?
Sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
Sorry, girls.
So there is, I think that's a drone cell there, but I'm not positive. Okay, we're gonna get up close here again and see. Do I see any eggs in there? I am not currently, but I'll go back and review the video because I'm. All right. See the other side. Okay, and let's quickly. All right. Okay. Oh, here. There's something interesting. Here, flip around. Look at that right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, bees.
Sorry, is that a larva or?
I am not sure what's going on there.
Huh. Weird.
Yeah, it looks like something was hatching and didn't come all the way out or something. Anyways, all right, let's get back together, and then two more frames. Expecting the one at the end here to be empty, so.
Yeah.
All right, so not a whole lot happening on this one. And let's take a look at the other side. Okay. Again, not a ton happening. Cap nectar and that kind of stuff, but I was expecting and hoping to see more brood.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been 2 weeks since we looked and since we saw the queen, so no idea what happened in those 2 weeks. All right, let's take a look at this last frame.
Hello, friend. Thank you.
Okay, absolutely nothing on this side, and very little on this side. All right.
All right.
Okay. All right, let's slide this.
Oh, sorry, I was just gonna try moving. I was moving.
Well,
Never mind. Now I see why.
yeah, just gonna- actually, I can